In this video, we will go over the Image Viewer tab and its functionality. This tab displays the labeled frames overlaid with the predictions from a trained model, along with the corresponding ground truth labels. This tab uses a third-party app called FiftyOne, a powerful visualization tool created for this purpose. Before you use this tab, make sure you have trained at least one model in the Train Infer tab. The tab will be empty when you first load it. To load results from a particular model, move to the upper left corner where you see the Select Dataset dropdown and select the model you want to inspect from the list. After selecting a model, you will see the results populate the screen. On the left is the sidebar with various filter options where you can more precisely control which images you want to inspect. Expand the Sample Tags filter under the Tags header to display only the train or the validation images. Under the Labels header, expand Ground Truth. Here you can filter the key points you want to see. Expand the model name to filter results by the confidence level. In the main window above the images, you will have some visualization settings, like adjusting the color of the points. You can now qualitatively check the visual alignment between the model predictions and your ground truth labels. Poor alignment on the training frames indicates that your model has not been trained sufficiently, and you might try retraining with more epochs. Poor alignment on the validation or test frames indicates that your model is not generalizing well, and you may need to label more frames and retrain.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you in the next tutorial.